The first step is awareness. It's crucial to understand this, as it forms the foundation of any transformational journey. The idea is to train your mind into becoming a vigilant sentinel, forever on the watch, capturing your internal monologue. Every thought, every perception, every interpretation that happens within the confines of your mind must be noticed. This requires a shift in perspective, akin to stepping outside of yourself and observing your own thought processes as an outsider, a detached observer, if you would. This isn't about judgment or critique. It's about building an awareness of the constant chatter that resides within us all. It's about noticing the stories we tell ourselves, the assumptions we make, the beliefs we hold, all of which often become our reality. On this journey of self-awareness, there will be moments when negativity creeps in. It could be skepticism about your ability to observe your own thoughts, or a lingering doubt about the process. It's natural, it's human. You might find rogue thoughts of inadequacy, of not being enough, or just a general pessimistic outlook. In these moments, be kind to yourself. Practice patience and acknowledge these thoughts. Don't push them away, but don't let them carry you away either. Remember, these are just thoughts, not a reflection of your true reality. The key is to label them, to identify them for what they are. Stand tall and say to yourself, this is just a thought, not reality. Don't accept negative thoughts as truth. This is a principle that many of us struggle with. We get caught in a whirlpool of negativity, assuming that the unconstructive thoughts clouding our minds are an accurate reflection of reality. But is that really the case? Pause and pose this question to yourself: is this thought truly accurate and helpful? Consider the negativity as a wild garden of thorns growing insidiously inside your mind. Now visualize yourself as the gardener, armed with the shears of rationale and introspection. Your job is to trim these thorny bushes, cutting them down to reveal their irrationality. Often this approach of challenging your negative thoughts can unlock fresh perspectives and illuminate the irrationality that hides beneath the surface. The spiritual teacher and author, the big guru Eckhart Tolle, provides similar advice. He encourages us to combat negativity by reframing it with more empowering perspectives. His teachings guide us towards understanding that we hold the power to form our own reality by choosing how we perceive our thoughts. Instead of dwelling on problems, start by asking yourself, what can I do about this? There's something remarkably powerful about this question. It's a question that reminds you time and again that you are not helpless, that you are not a passive bystander, but an active participant in your own life. We all face problems. They're a part of life, and they can come in all shapes and sizes. From minor inconveniences to life-changing dilemmas, problems have a way of reminding us of our own vulnerability. But that vulnerability does not have to equate to helplessness. It does not mean that we are powerless. Far from it. Ruminating over problems does not solve them. It tends to magnify them, making them seem bigger and more insurmountable than they really are. Instead, let's shift our perspective. Let's see problems as opportunities. Opportunities to grow, to learn, to become stronger and more resilient. When faced with a problem, stop, breathe and ask, what can I do about this? It's a question that can change the course of your life. It's a question that urges you to act, to take steps, regardless of how small they may be. Each step you take is a step forward, a step away from helplessness, a step towards empowerment. The mere act of taking action, even if it's just small steps, can generate a feeling of control over your situation. It shifts the dynamics, making you the actor, not the acted upon. It reminds you of your own resilience, of your own power. It combats helplessness and fosters a sense of autonomy and control. Taking action, even small steps, empowers you and combats helplessness. Negativity is contagious, so choose uplifting connections. It's like a simple math equation. Positive interactions equal a positive life. We all have those people in our lives who embody the sunshine, sprinkle it everywhere they go, and make us feel uplifted. These are the individuals with a perpetual smile on their faces, a kind word for everyone, and an optimistic outlook that is contagious. They're like a beacon of hope in our lives, filling our world with warmth and positivity. It's vital to actively seek out these people, the ones whose energy makes you feel good, and whose company you always seem to relish. It's about surrounding yourself with people who enrich your life and inspire you to be a better version of yourself. People who encourage you, challenge you, and most importantly, believe in you. The ones that help you grow as a person while simultaneously making your life brighter and more enjoyable. Remember the importance of choosing your surroundings wisely, because our environment has a profound effect on our outlook. As Oprah Winfrey once said, surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. And this isn't just a comforting sentiment, it's a scientific fact. Studies have shown that our brains are wired to mimic the moods of those around us, meaning who we spend time with significantly influences our own mood and mindset. So in essence, your social circle isn't just a group of people you hang out with, it's a vital part of your personal growth and development. It's not just about having fun and making memories, it's about nurturing your soul and feeding your mind with positivity. Oprah Winfrey famously quotes, "You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." A healthy mind thrives on a healthy body. It's a dualism that has been acknowledged since the time of the ancient Greeks, who coined the phrase, "a sound mind in a sound body." This concept, which has permeated through the annals of history, is just as relevant today as it was back then. The benefits of a healthy lifestyle extend far beyond physical fitness. They also play a central role in our mental well-being. To ensure our bodies are at their optimal health, it's important that we get enough sleep. Sleep regenerates our bodies and refreshes our minds, allowing us to approach each new day with renewed vigor and clarity of thought. Then there's nutrition. Eating a balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats nourishes our bodies, yes. But it also nourishes our minds, providing the nutrients necessary for our brains to function at their best. Finally, regular exercise is key. It does not only keep our bodies fit and flexible, but it also releases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. These endorphins can alleviate stress, reduce anxiety, and even fight off depression. All these practices, sleep, nutrition, and exercise, are not just about attaining physical health. They are integral to mental well-being too. They boost our mood, increase our mental resilience, and enhance our overall cognitive function. This is not just speculation or hearsay. This has been proven scientifically, as research by Harvard Medical School confirms. In conclusion, we ought to remember that our mind and body are deeply interconnected. A healthy lifestyle is not just beneficial, it's crucial. A healthy mind thrives on a healthy body. These practices boost mood and mental resilience, as research by Harvard Medical School confirms.